So in today's video I'm going to show you a super quick way to create a clean 3D text extrusion using Affinity. So first open a new Canva and make sure you are working in vector mode right here. Now type out your text and give it the color you want. So we will type something. I don't know. Affinity, for example. Let's give it some good text. I will size it up a little bit just for fun, like so, and give it a color, whatever you like. So I will put something like that. It looks okay. Now duplicate the layer right over here. Ctrl and J will be duplication. So now take the copy that sits underneath and change it to the slightly darker shade. This will act as your shadow. So okay, so to shade it a little bit, we go here to the A and we push to the darker side. Now go ahead now and duplicate the dark layer. So I will duplicate it, this one. So if I put this something like that, it looks pretty awesome right now. And we can do also some stuff like that. So we can also do more layers after that, but I think it's not that necessary right now because it looks pretty awesome. I think so. When you are happy with the shade, select all those layers. So okay, we can also do one more just to show you that it looks okay. So I will correct this. Okay. Something like that. So now we can select all of these layers. So now we can group these layers. How to do that? We select all of them and click here group, and now we can change colors to the original one. So for example, we can change this one and then also the shadow, and it looks something like that. So just make sure that everything looks smooth, and that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.